am C. Gautam Kumar from 9th B from JNVRR. Now I am here to explain about 3D printer. Here I am in JNVRR. Here is a 3D printer to learn to teach students that how 3D printer works in daily life. Now we see some models that are prepared by 3D printing. We use plastic, PLA, SAS types of filament to print these items. We print by a 3D printer. It is a machine. It's called as head and it is build plate. The model builds on it. In JNVRR, all these facilities are there to learn students. It uses or it can build a very big model to a small model, and it can make it better quality and make it